Ice cream with pickles, chalk, soil, laundry starch. Pregnant women throughout history and across cultures have reported cravings that range from the perfectly understandable to the genuinely baffling. Scientists want to know why, and the answer reveals something surprising about the pregnant body. Pregnancy cravings are one of the most universally recognized features of pregnancy. They appear in cultures around the world. They've been documented throughout human history, and they can be intensely specific, not just something sweet, but a particular brand of chocolate at a particular temperature. What makes cravings so fascinating scientifically is that they're clearly a real physiological experience, not imagination, yet their exact cause and purpose has proven surprisingly difficult to pin down. Today, we're going to look at what researchers currently understand, what remains genuinely mysterious, and what your cravings might actually be telling you. Hormones and the changing senses. Pregnancy dramatically alters two of the senses most connected to food, smell and taste. The hormonal changes of early pregnancy, particularly rising levels of estrogen and HCG, appear to influence how the brain processes sensory information. Many women report that their sense of smell becomes much stronger in pregnancy, sometimes uncomfortably so. Foods that were previously enjoyable may become repulsive. Smells that were neutral may become overwhelming. At the same time, taste perception changes. Some women report stronger sensitivity to bitter flavors. Others notice that previously favorite foods taste different or unappealing. These shifts in sensory experience may drive both cravings, an intense pull towards certain flavors, and aversions, a sudden strong repulsion to others. Your brain is processing food differently during pregnancy. Your preferences reflect that. The nutritional deficiency theory. One popular explanation for pregnancy cravings is that they reflect nutritional needs, that the body craves what it requires. This theory has some intuitive appeal. Pregnant women need significantly more of certain nutrients, iron, calcium, folate, and others, and it's easy to imagine the body signaling for what it needs through cravings. The evidence, however, is mixed. Some research does find links. For example, cravings for red meat are sometimes associated with iron deficiency. Cravings for dairy may be connected to calcium needs. But many cravings don't fit neatly into this framework. Cravings for ice cream, fast food, or extremely salty snacks are common and don't obviously correspond to specific nutritional gaps. Researchers acknowledge that nutritional signaling may be part of the picture, but likely isn't the whole explanation. Pica, when cravings go beyond food. Here's a layer of complexity that researchers find fascinating. Pregnancy cravings vary significantly across cultures. Studies have found that common cravings differ substantially between countries. In the United States, sweets and dairy top the list. In other countries, savory, sour, or spicy foods dominate. In some cultures, certain cravings are so culturally expected that they may be partially shaped by social belief about what pregnant women are supposed to want. This cross-cultural variation has led researchers to suggest that pregnancy cravings aren't purely biological, that psychology, culture, and social expectation interact with the underlying physiology to produce the specific cravings a woman experiences. This doesn't make the experience any less real. It simply means the full explanation is more layered than any single theory can capture. I think what cravings ultimately reveal is how profoundly pregnancy reorganizes the body, including the brain. Your taste, your smell, your sensory experience of food changes. Your relationship with your own hunger and desire shifts. The body is doing something remarkable during pregnancy, and cravings may be one of the ways it communicates, not always clearly, not always logically, but insistently. And that insistence is worth paying attention to. What was your strangest pregnancy craving? Share it below. Let's see what this community was reaching for.